This is loose. You can see it's moving. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to resolder these two because ain't no budging in them. That's kind of loose. This is loose. But I know this is loose for sure. You can see it. It ain't supposed to move like that. And I actually seen the pins up under here. I actually seen them on both ends. They loose. So I'm going to resolder them. I'm going to check for anything else that may be loose. I know the sub is good because, like I said, I had a speaker wired to it. And on my old amp, I was playing this off this amp before.